What's going on, guys? Turbo Civic R18 eBay turbo. We got some more parts for it. We got this box right here, so let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'll take you through what my future plans are with this build here. All right, what do we have here, guys? Max speeding rods, intercooler piping set. Now, if you guys already know, the Turbo Civic has a 2-inch intercooler piping. This right here, boys, we got a bigger pipe. We got a 2.5-inch pipe here. Wow, much bigger, much beefier. Definitely can tell the size difference here. And what I want to do eventually, not anytime soon, guys, because you guys know I installed this intake here with the 2-inch piping, but I would love to create and fabricate a 2.5-inch pipe, which is going to be more suitable for the inlet of the turbo, going all the way into the bumper to get colder air into the engine. I would love to do that. So like I said, I want to fabricate a nice inlet charge pipe that goes all the way to the bumper. I'm not sure if we can do it with a 2.5-inch because that space is limited in there, but I want to try, I want to experiment. You know, we got the prime weld welder right over here that I want to get familiar with, start doing aluminum TIG welding as well as steel welding. I got a few parts here and stuff that I want to practice just welding up, just to get familiar with it, because I know if I grow my skills in welding, eventually we can have bigger and better projects down in the future for car builds. So this 2-inch pipe going right over here, sucking up pretty much warm air, and the plan would be, again, get off of here, pretty much route it the same way, but then it's gonna have to go under the battery by the rear wheel well, just so we can keep getting cold air, which will help improve performance, which will help with the tune, and it will help decrease ignition knock and whatnot. So that's going to be the plan. This is kind of like a teaser video because this is going to be a long project, but I just wanted to put it out there that that is in the works. That is a plan I'm trying to work out, and you guys already know I'm also trying to work on that exhaust. Guys, I just got pretty much an open pipe right now running muffler delete. So I definitely want to fabricate some steel piping just so we can get that muffler out of here. The exhaust ending right over there, it's actually stinking up my cabin quite a bit, and I think in the trunk there's like a vent somewhere right around there, and it's definitely sneaking through. It's definitely sneaking through a lot of that smell into the cabin, like I mentioned before. So those are two small things that once we tweak those, we will definitely have big improvements all around. I'll be happy with the car. One last thing is that mass airflow sensor housing. Last time we adjusted some of the piping here so it flows better. Last night I was trying to catch up with a BMW M4 on the highway as I seen him approaching behind me. Ran it all the way through 3rd gear. Temperatures were around in the 70s, so it's a little denser air. And yeah, it triggered that limp mode, check engine light turned on, PO103, which is, again, the voltage is exceeded. So with the colder temperatures, this is going to be definitely noticeable. With the hotter temperatures, if it's 80s, 90s, 100-degree IATs, I can do a whole 3rd gear pull. But again, like as the temperature gets lower, colder, denser, flows more air through that mass airflow sensor housing, that housing is still a problem, which is, again, it's my daily driver. I can feather it at the end of 3rd, you know, just to change that voltage so it's not pegged at 5 volts, and it'll work perfectly fine. But initially, if you do want a permanent fix, you would have to get a bigger pipe here, probably like a 2.5 or 2.75 inch mass airflow sensor housing. But then we have to get different couplers here again. And you know, this being a budget build daily driver, we just kind of want to keep it in a happy medium where it's working, but it's not really causing us a problem, but it's budget friendly. So a lot of you guys are talking about dynoing this car. You guys want to know numbers. So again, it's not in the budget, never was intended to be a dyno queen, but if you guys are interested in the numbers, maybe we can make that happen. If you guys want to support the channel, if you guys want to donate some money, I got a Venmo. I'll list my Venmo here. If we get enough money, we'll take it to the dyno shop. So it's not going to be easy to dyno because it's an automatic transmission. You know, it'll want to downshift the gear, so we can't get a clean run from like 2000 RPMs. But I'm sure we can try some dynos in second gear or third gear, and that's that. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, follow me on Instagram for more content that you probably don't see posted on YouTube, and we'll see you on the next video.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.